Hello everyone, welcome to Harasha YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about iron parking shed design, and will also show the footage. A parking shed is a structure designed to provide sheltered parking for vehicles, protecting them from the elements, such as rain, sun, and snow. It can be 1. A standalone building or attachment to a larger building. 2. A covered area with walls and a roof or an open-sided structure with a roof. 3. Made of various materials, including metal, wood, or fabric. Parking sheds can be 1. Residential, for single-family homes or multi-unit dwellings. 2. Commercial, for offices, shopping centers, or restaurants. 3. Public, municipal or privately operated parking facilities. Purpose: 1. Protect vehicles from weather damage. 2. Enhance security. 3. Provide shade. 4. Keep vehicles clean. 5. Increase property value, in residential settings. Types: 1. Carport, open-sided. 2. Garage, fully enclosed. 3. Canopy, partial coverage. 4. Parking barn, larger, often rural.
A metal parking shed is a durable and versatile structure designed to provide secure and protected parking for vehicles. Ideal for both homes and offices, these sheds are fabricated from sturdy metal materials, such as steel or aluminum, ensuring resistance to harsh weather conditions and longevity. Metal parking sheds come in various sizes and designs to accommodate single or multiple vehicles, and can be customized to blend with existing architecture. Features like lockable doors, electro-galvanized roofing, and UV-resistant coatings provide added security and protection. Whether installed adjacent to a residence or office building, a metal parking shed offers a practical and low-maintenance solution for safeguarding vehicles, enhancing property value, and organizing outdoor space. Metal parking sheds are a cost-effective alternative to traditional garages or construction. They require minimal maintenance and can withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions. These structures also provide flexibility, allowing homeowners or businesses to easily relocate or reconfigure the shed as needed. For offices, metal parking sheds can serve as designated employee parking areas or visitor parking, enhancing the overall workplace experience. Additionally, metal parking sheds can store equipment, supplies or other valuable assets. Key points. Benefits. 1. Durability and longevity. 2. Weather resistance. 3. Low maintenance. 4. Cost effectiveness. 5. Flexibility and portability. 6. Enhanced security. 7. Customization options. Features. 1. Lockable doors. 2. Electro-galvanized roofing. 3. UV-resistant coatings. 4. Various sizes and designs. 5. Sturdy metal materials, steel, aluminum. Uses. 1. Vehicle parking, cars, trucks, motorcycles. 2. Equipment storage. 3. Supply storage. 4. Secure storage for valuable assets.
A parking shed is a structure designed to provide sheltered parking for vehicles, protecting them from the elements, such as rain, sun, and snow. It can be 1. A standalone building or attachment to a larger building.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.